Now that we've reviewed some of the aerial pictures or representations of the Civic Center, you can see how the structures have roof lines that are large with substantial overhangs. The overhangs are intended to protect people from below. The slope in the roof lines shed water, and particularly icicles, away from the population in the traffic areas. And the purpose there is to maintain a safety level for pedestrians below. Those water areas shed backwards, so to speak, away from the fronting or the traffic areas for pedestrian use, take some of that snow water and melt and precipitation and directs it away from the population within the project. As we go to the last storyboard, we look at, again, some more of the landscaping, the wide corridors, the overhanging roof structures that provide protection, the bridges over water corridors that are landscaped. This is intended to be a heavily landscaped environment that was required by the City of Driggs. We think it's a good idea, frankly. It's people friendly. Another thing I want to point out is right here we have a transit hub. It's a turnout in the center northern portion straight across from my office. That turnout will allow vehicles to come in and get out of the traffic corridor on Main Street, and also allow trucks, transportation, buses and that sort of vehicle to park here, again out of Main Street traffic, but allowing people to offload or equipment or material or produce that is being utilized within the project. This transit area is a center hub with very wide corridors between the buildings and wide sidewalks to disperse the people that come to the project into the project without congestion. You see, this is just a frontal view of the same. That same bus, some of the vehicles, seating capacity for people, shade trees. 300 Main, a mixed-use project that is intended to be a very attractive addition. I want to comment that 300 Main went through the planning entitlement process in Driggs, Idaho, with accolades from the Planning and Zoning Department. It was enjoyed and applauded through every step. There was no objection. We've made special effort to make this an appealing environment that will be upscale and very prominent in terms of a central hub in Teton Valley. 300 Main again is a mixed use. 300,000 to 400,000 square feet of structures. The top notch, 400,000, anticipates, again, 48% of residential component, 21% retail, 20% professional office space, 9% food, beverage, and entertainment. It's intended to be an attractive location, and a location that's going to appreciate and be liquid and be desirable. It will serve people and population and employment. It'll provide housing. It'll be a central location for a civic environment. Teton Valley deserves something like this, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much.